Welcome. So this is already old news, but the base and the owner fees have been lowered on the XRP ledger. So before they were 25, so meaning that the base reserve for an account has been 20 XRP, and the owner reserve for example, an escrow or a trust line was 5 XRP, and this has been lowered to 10 and 2. So this is great news for everybody, because whenever you set a trust line, you're no longer locking up 5 XRP, instead you're locking up 2 XRP. So for now, so if you use the sum wallet, unfortunately, that has been hard coded, meaning that it's still showing the old reserve amounts. So you can see here that the wallet reserve is apparently 20 XRP, which is not true currently. But a new release will be rolled out soon, in which it will pull the fee data from the XRP ledger. So you will soon also be able to access your full XRP here. So as you can see here, I've got lots of different tokens, and this should unlock like 50 XRP for me. So they are already unlocked on the XRP ledger. But like I said, the software, in this case the Sum wallet, still has the old fees hard-coded into it. So the Sum wallet doesn't know that the fees are actually lower than that. And this will be changed soon. Also, if you go to xrpscan/validators, you can see the layout has changed. You can see here all the validators for which fees they are voting. And you can see in gray the current setting. And you can see in this highlight here if some validators vote for something different. So you can see here, this validator, the xrpcoinfield.com validator, wants to raise the base and owner fee, which is actually the old one. So it doesn't want to raise it, it wants to keep the old one. But now, like I said, it has changed. Now it seems like it wants to raise it again. But this will still be, like I said, same here. It's great that the fee has been lowered. So the bar is lower for people creating their own XRP accounts, which is awesome. So more people will be probably willing to create a new, to create their own non-custodial wallets. So also many people were quite confused why 20 XRP were gone in some wallets. So many people didn't understand that, and maybe it's now they're also happier to know that it's now only 10 instead of 20. But like I said, the update for that will come out soon. So the Sum team has commented on that. So if I quickly pull it up here, you can see that they want to, right. So you can see here we're updating the Sum wallet as we speak. The Dream Reserve and some other improvements will make it to your phone in 1 to 2 weeks. In Sum in the new version 2.2.0. Alright, so if you want to see actually the current reserves, also on your account, you can go to xrpscan and enter your account address. And if you click on reserve here, you can see the actual reserve. For example, this account has a reserve of 20. In this case, this account has a token and also, so a token and what else, and 4 DEX orders. So you can see here 4 DEX orders, so 4 times 2 equals 8, then a token equals 10, and 10 base reserve, and that's why it's 20 here. Also, if you look at any other account here, for example, you can see here that the reserve is 48. So there's another account which has lots of different trust lines, and that's why it's, well, it has even more than that. You can see here, we've got 19 trust lines here. So 19 times 2 is 38, and 10 more for the base reserve, and we can see 48. So the reserve has been lowered, and right, so that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.